friends, इस वीडियो सेशन में we have developed a specialist program for MBA graduates and we have made an entire presentation on how you can do a job search using social media. So in this particular session, we'll tell you how you can use social media to find your dream job. So there are a few topics that we are going to cover in this session. First of all, the traditional ways. So we'll talk about what are the different traditional ways जो कि हम लोग यूज करते हैं जॉब्स पाने के लिए, रिज्यूमे बनाने से लेके लेने तक, काफी जॉब पोर्टल्स को पोस्टिंग करने तक. So we'll also talk about what are the different challenges क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग हैं जो continuously रोज अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, but how you can make your resume गुड कि वो सबसे पहले दिखाई दे और सबसे पहले रिक्रूटर्स के पास है. ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है. सो कहीं ना कहीं जरूरत है एक नए तरीके का और नए अप्रोच का इसके लिए हम लोग सोशल मीडिया के बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So we'll also talk about how, because each brand, what we feel is every one of us is a brand. So the way you market your product, absolutely the same way you have to market yourself. So we'll also talk about how you can make your personal brand. So this topic will basically cover why being online is important, online रहना क्यों जरूरी है, and आप जब भी कोई भी जॉब सर्च करने के लिए आप जाते हैं, so make sure that recruiters are searching for you, और मैक्सिमम केसेस में रिक्रूटर्स आपको जॉब कंफर्म करने से पहले आपका सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल जरूर देखता है. We'll also tell you why generic resumes won't have. So इस मल्टीमीडिया के ज़माने में you need to have your resume online, जो कि मल्टीमीडिया resumes है या फिर वीडियो resumes है, और online resumes बहुत ज़्यादा important role play करते हैं. So this session will talk about why personal brand is required. Okay, so we'll also talk about how you can create attractive and relevant resumes as far as online marketing is concerned. We'll also talk about some of the tools like CRM softwares are there जो आपको मदद कर सकते हैं आपके resumes को build करने के लिए और आपके इस job search के process को आसान करने के लिए. We'll also talk about different best strategies how you can build your contact list, like फेसबुक हो चाहे लिंक्डइन हो ट्विटर में हो, ये काफी बड़ा नेटवर्क है. सो हाउ यू कैन मेक build a contact list, that is really very important. So we'll talk on this in this particular chapter. We'll also talk about how you can use LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter to find your job search. काफी सारी strategies है, world best practices है, आप hashtags का कैसे use कर सकते हैं, आप Facebook का कैसे use कर सकते हैं. So this particular topic will talk about how these things can get you a job, and even there are some tools. I will tell you honestly, those are heavily used by big recruiters. So we'll also talk about Twitter tools. We'll also talk about LinkedIn. We'll talk about different groups where you can position yourself in order to build a very good communication with the recruiters or HR people. We'll also talk about social media job hunting strategies. So in this case, we'll particularly talk about content, like how you can position yourself, how you can make content, what are the different tools that you can use in order to make the content relevant. So we'll also talk about how search engine work, how Naukri.com works, and different job portals जो कैसे काम कर रहे हैं ताकि आप जल्दी जॉब सर्च कर सके, आपको relevant जॉब मिल सके. We'll also talk about how you can make online reputation of yourself by using some of the great online reputation management tools. So these things we are going to cover in our session. We are having one session tomorrow between 5 to 7 at our Gandhinagar Institute, where we'll be telling you how you can use social media for job search. इतना ही नहीं, we'll also talk about कि अभी currently openings कौन सी है मार्केट में, and as a marketer अगर आप marketing profile में हैं, so how you can use these tools to get up marketing relevant job. So ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव रहेगा. पेन पॉइंट्स को हम जरूर फोकस करेंगे और कहीं ना कहीं कोशिश करेंगे कि जो 2 घंटे आप हम लोग के साथ रहेंगे इस सेमिनार में, so we can add value to your career and can help you to get your own dream job. So आप आइए, आप सबका स्वागत है, और हमारी सीट्स लिमिटेड है, तो आप हम लोग को कंफर्म कर सकते हैं brandveda.in पे जा करके, या फिर आप हमारे मोबाइल नंबर 8460228470 पे भी कमेंट कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स अ लॉट. आपका दिन बढ़िया रहे. थैंक यू. टेक केयर.